back to my channel. It's Brittany Janelle TV. It's your girl Brittany. So, of course, this is kind of a different setup than what I normally do. By the title of this description, it will be a monthly ivybox. So this will be May, and I have my good soror Danielle with me today. So she's actually going to do an unboxing as well. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of it, continue watching. Okay, so this is May ivybox. So as usual, this is the way the box comes in. I think it was last month's box as well, came in this box as well. So let's open and see what's inside. Of course, I always love the wrapping paper.
Beautiful.
Yes.
I hear in your videos that you cute with it. I'm not. I just be ripping it open. So.
Card. Theme for the month is healing from the inside out.
What I need after grad school. Look, me and you said this school be taking it out of us.
So, what's in the box is a rose floral robe, a rose floral head wrap, rose floral gua sha. Hopefully I said that right. Apple green face covering, and then a pretty gifted and black Juneteenth shirt. So
that's a lot in this box. Usually it's 2 or 3.
So I'm really excited to see.
Me too. I was thinking, I was like waiting to do the reveal. It's actually more exciting. I've been like saying on social media, don't know if it's gonna be good, bad. We should be happy or sad. Exactly. I was like, we're gonna find out today.
First is the face covering, which I really like. I think last month's box it had a face covering.
I love these. And they have the pinch on your nose. Yeah. Lets you breathe. Because I have some that are cloth. Ooh, it's like I'm suffocating.
And I feel like it's so close to your mouth.
This is so nice.
Yes, this is really nice. Because I still haven't worn the one from last month's box.
I wore ski wee. I wore ski wee out.
So yes, I really like that. Very nice.
Okay.
Head wrap?
Yeah.
This is the head wrap. I really like this too.
Yeah. I know it's women, we like to wrap our hair at night. Not like on TV. They be thinking they cute with no hair wrap. No, it's not how reality works.
Did you see what they be talking about on social media with the bonnets?
No.
Look, I can't stand that either.
Oh, yeah, I try not to be that too far. Like, maybe the cute head wrap, but not no bonnet.
Cool bonnet. I like this.
Yes, and I like the feel of it.
Yeah, like the feel of it feels really, really soft, like silk. Soft is what I would say.
Agreed.
Dude, I really, really like this. Put this on tonight.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. I like this very much so. My mama gonna be jealous. She's still doing the item box.
Really?
So I always tell her these items. She's like, I'm still not gonna get them. I'm like, okay. I'm gonna get you back on the gravy train. No way. This must be our gua sha. I don't know what that is. Never heard of it. I've been wanting one of these.
I like that. So this is what we're talking about right now.
Yes, for your face. I literally was looking on Shein. I was about to buy one. I was like, no, I don't need it. Look, AK already knew. I'm going to educate myself on how to use it.
Too.
Yeah.
What is this? Oh, I can't wait to.
That looks nice.
Yeah, what is?
I'm not sure what that is. To read up on how to use it.
It says it.
That's beautiful.
It is.
They spoiled us with this box.
They did.
We trying to make up for some other ones again. Now, I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind. If you know, you know. That's beautiful. I'm gonna keep it in the box too.
I know, that's what I said.
Perfect case.
I really
travel
like
with
the
it.
Box. Yeah, I know. You
travel with it. It's nice size. Very nice.
This is pretty gifted in black since 1908.
It was they said it's a t-shirt?
Yeah,
Juneteenth. But you know, okay. Well, let's look. It was Juneteenth in the summertime. Oh, we gotta get black. Why is it black? I love it, but we're gonna be burning up if we actually wear this again.
Oh yeah.
But it's light. See, I take it back now. I take it back. It's light. It's a light top. So.
Hey, on the side. I like this.
They did that with the shoe.
I do like that. So, and this feels so soft.
Yes. Very
super
nice.
Soft.
It might absorb, for the summer sun. So actually, I take it back what I was gonna say. You can actually
see the last final item. This is the which I actually like. I have a pink cotton one.
Okay.
And I kind of been needing like a new rose. This is actually perfect.
Alright. I wasn't thinking for another robe because mine kind of hits right into my booty. Oh, this is cute.
Oh yeah, I like this.
With the rose on it.
Because
our flower
tie.
And this is just long enough,
Yeah,
not too short. Oh yes. Oh, we gonna be rocking and rolling.
Oh yeah, I really like this robe. Put it on. Yeah, I like this.
Yeah. Cute. And they got the shield. They got the shield on the dress.
Oh, they do. Oh, they sure do. Yep.
You don't know it's AKA.
I know that's right. Here's the shield. It feels so soft and so
and I like the sleeves. I think it's the 3/4, depending on like how long your arms are. But it's very nice. Very nice.
And then here's the belt that goes with it.
Ooh, so we styling. Only thing with sorors is like, my mom was like, ivybox, you may run into someone like you to sleep over something. That's okay. We all know we got the same style. We all rocking and rolling because there's only so much paraphernalia to go around. But this is the one
because the rock popped up. And she moved.
got a key.
I like that.
Oh, good. This is like honestly one of the best ones in 2021.
I've been getting this box since last year. I could say out of all the boxes, this is my favorite box.
Yeah. Mine's probably November of 2019.
Yeah, in November 2019.
Yeah. And I have had a box I've loved like every item.
I literally love every
a
single item.
They did good.
Okay, y'all. So that is it. That's the May ivybox reveal, y'all. We said we really like these items. So I definitely give this a 10 out of 10.
Me too.
So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I love you guys. To see you in my next video. Bye.